Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing some spoilers for Boxycharm March 2024. Very excited for these. I just looked them over and I'm like, ooh, these look good. The Ipsy glam bag is not looking too good for March in my opinion. It's a little lacking, if you will. So definitely check that video out if you haven't. But these ones are actually pretty good. I'm very excited to see what I'll be receiving. So anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because half of my viewers aren't subscribed and I just want to cry myself to sleep. So let's fix that and let's subscribe. So anyways, before we get started as well, if you were wondering what is on my eyes, cheeks, and lips, I'm wearing the new Ofra Self-Love Valentine's Day collection. I will have that video linked below. Use code Connor to save 20% off your purchase at ofracosmetics.com. Now that I've plugged that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, our advice for this month is simple. March to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and a nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. That's where March 2024's Boxycharm spoilers come in. They're just a taste of everything this month has to offer, with spring around the corner and Women's History Month upon us. There's no better time to restock your routine with essentials to help you truly blossom and channel major BFE. Big feminine. No, I said this in the last video. Big feminine energy. Big feminine energy. You say that 10 times fast. Anyways, let's get on with the spoilers. We have from Wander Beauty, the Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. I can contest. I can say. I can concur. All of the big words that they don't all make sense. But I have not always been the biggest Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette fan. The ones that were like 4 shadows or 8 shadows or something weren't my cup of tea, like the Seascape and the Wanderous palette. Those ones, wasn't a fan of the eyeshadow quality. So I've never seen one this big, I don't believe. Maybe I have, I don't know, memory slips. I just turned 30 last month, so we're also blaming it on the fact that I'm 30 now and my memory is just not that good. But this palette looks so pretty. So of course, if you guys want to see me do a video using it, if I receive it, then I definitely will. Because I've got to know if this eyeshadow quality has improved. That like Forest Hunter Green looks so good. And these neutrals are really pretty. And so is that shimmery green. I've got to try this. This looks like spring heaven, okay? So, this stunning eyeshadow palette is inspired by the brand's all-female team of creators and innovators who make it all happen behind the scenes every day. With 10 perfectly curated matte and shimmer shades and a range of neutral nudes, chartreuse, and emerald tones, this thoughtfully designed palette is sure to inspire and uplift you and your look. I can agree. I'm very uplifted when I'm looking at this. Uplifted because it's beautiful and I'm very interested. I'm also extremely interested in this product from Glow Recipe, the Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. I want this 1000%. It says, pores where? This all-in-one silicone-free primer and serum helps visibly refine pores over time with powerhouse ingredient BHA while also helping to blur the look of your skin. It also helps absorb any unwanted oil so you can achieve that natural soft focus finish. I believe that this is going to be a nice primer before makeup or just to put on every single day. I feel like this is going to be perfect for you oily skin folk out there. I'm just so interested to try this. I'm talking with my hands as if I'm Italian. My brother's Italian. He's Sicilian. We have different daddies, okay? You can tell he's super Sicilian. So I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm not Italian. Anyways, next spoiler. It's from the beloved brand Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. It says, get ready for extreme volume and dramatic lashes with this mascara, formulated with the power of biotin, collagen, and peptides. It not only sculpts and lengthens, but it also provides nourishment. Cute. Then we have from Yensa Beauty the Super Serum Silk Concealer. Cute. I would like to try this. Yensa, if you do not know, is Purelice's sister brand. So it says, get ready for your smoothest skin ever thanks to this luminous concealer. Benefit-packed vitamin C and E and ferulic acid help boost brightness to combat unwanted darkness, while skin-plumping peptides and an age-defying complex nourish. You're left with a skin-like finish so flawless you'd swear you were using a filter. That's a great description. It's probably because it's luminous, so it's going to give like a glow glass-like finish to the skin, so I can see why that would be more of like a filter effect. Then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which we've seen a bajillion times. I've had this a bajillion times. I think I've had it in full size and a billion samples. They love this product, I swear. Okay. Thirsty skin, question mark. This super moisturizing yet ultra light gel cream is here to help increase hydration so your complexion looks and feels supple and smooth. Formulated with powerful marine and plant actives including Padina pavonica, if I'm saying that correctly. It helps plump and moisturize. Chlorella, high in antioxidants, and ginkgo biloba, antibacterial. It also works hard to help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Great. Then we have something that I've never heard of. Never heard of this brand, but I'm interested. It's giving kind of like a more toned down Pat McGrath vibe in a way, the packaging. So this is from the brand Miss Fame. This is the Cream and Powder Blush Duo. It says, get ready to blush in style. This powder and cream duo is like having your own personal glam squad in one palette. You've got a creamy buildable powder for that chic matte bronze vibe and a soft peachy pink powder for a touch of warmth. It's like a blush dream team, delivering vibrance and coverage that lasts all day. So this last and final spoiler is actually a little exciting. This is from Glactic, the Fruit Superfood Scrub. I tried the like cranberry scrub years ago. Maybe it was 2020. I loved that. That was so good. I loved that. So this one I'm excited for you guys, for myself if I get it. This is a good one. Superfoods aren't just for your smoothies. They're also super beneficial in your skincare routine, powered by a potent infusion of avocado oil, cucumber and blueberry, and strawberry extracts, plus strawberry seeds to exfoliate, which yes, the cranberry one had the seeds in it and it was lovely. This facial scrub is the perfect way to energize and help brighten your skin. I always did mine in the shower because it can get a little messy. So I would say when you're in the shower, do your face there. So yeah, that is everything. I'm really looking forward to this. I know the Glam Bag X for February was so good. When you look at the actual full product list when it launches, like when it's live and whatnot, every single product except for like 2 or 3 I had never heard of, but also seemed really nice. Everything else were like super like well-known brands, amazing products. The X this month was great. Thank heavens. Gwen Stefani, you did it, girl. I'm looking forward to the next X. I wonder who the curator is going to be. So it's going to be for February, March, April, May. Ooh, I can't wait. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!